Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Unity in Windows 11 or 10. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive into it. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do on your PC or laptop is open up any web browser. Alright, then open up Google and then type in Unity download and then click into unity.com. Start your creative projects and download the Unity. So now what you want, you'll come to this page here, and then on here you want to click on the blue download for Windows button, and now this will go ahead and start your download. So as you can see on the top right hand corner here, it's 122 megabytes in size, so it's going to take not too long to download depending on your internet speed. So I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done to go through the setup process. Alright, as you can see, Unity has been downloaded, so I'm going to open up the file, and now I'm going to click on yes. I'm going to click I agree. I'm going to install it to my program files. You can change it by clicking browse. Click on install. As you can see, space required is 445 megabytes. So click on install. Now give that a few moments to install to get to the next part of the installation process. Alright guys, now it says here completing Unity Hub setup. Unity Hub has been installed on your computer. Click finish to close the setup. Alright, I'm going to click finish. And now I'm going to click on Unity Hub. Alright, now on this page here, welcome to Unity Hub. So you can either sign in with a existing account, or if you're new to Unity, create an account. I'm going to go through the steps of how to create an account with Unity. So I'm going to select Google Chrome here, and then click on just once. Alright, now the web page is open, so I'm going to add in my email, password, username and full name. And then once you've done that, click on these boxes here. Well, not so much the marketing one. And then click on I'm not a robot. And now click on create a Unity. Make sure to remember your email and password too, guys. Now give that a few moments to load. Alright, now I'm going to click save to save my credentials. Confirm your email, so I need to go to my email to click to confirm it. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I'm inside my email, so I'm going to click on the email from Unity Technologies to confirm my email. So I'm going to click on link to confirm email. And again, got to do this I'm not a robot thing. Click on verify. And my account should be created. There it is there. So I'm going to sign in. So as you can see, my account has been created, and you should have an account too if you're following this step by step. In here you can make changes as well. Alright, now what I'm going to do is go back to the Unity sign in page here. So now I can sign in because I've created that account. So I'm going to sign in using Google Chrome just once. Alright, I'm going to sign in here. Alright, I need my pin here, so I'm going to add this in. Alright, open Unity Hub. Signing my in now. Give that a few moments. Alright, click on got it. Alright, here's where you actually need to install the Unity editor. Please keep in mind it's about 5.34 gigabytes of time recording before you install it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on install Unity editor. And then I'm going to click on agree. And now here's the progress. So 0 out of 3 completed. So I'm going to pause this while this installs. Alright guys, I failed to mention here also, if it says Unity and your version and it says failed, what you need to do to overcome this is to come over here and click on your profile, and then click into manage licenses, and then click into licenses, and then click on add license, and then click on get a free personalized license, and then click on agree and get personal edition license, and then get out of this, and then it'll start to install, as you can see here. So as you can see, this is currently installing onto my PC, and yeah, that's it for this video guys. how to install Unity on your PC. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.